number 3, ornamental Shabbos key. Oh, right. Since it is forbidden to carry keys on Shabbos, many people have their house key made to the ornaments, such as brooches that they wear when on Shabbos. And I saw such a brooches. Okay, I mean the thing, the key is on the back. Okay, on Shabbos. Just 1 second. Such as brooches and wear them on Shabbos. Meaning it's like I don't know, soldered. I think the word soldered, like to the brooch itself. So meaning it's like same piece. I mean it moves, of course, to get the key, but it is there. Okay. If one intends primarily to transport the key in order to be able to use it upon the returning home, one is forbidden to wear it. But usually it's like nice brooches, like right, for the beautiful brooches, and for adornment, and you have a key. Right. However, if one intends to wear it for ornamental purposes as well, most paskim permit wearing outdoors. So I mean, for women, we said for a man they do as a tie clip, right? Women don't wear a tie clip, but they can use the brooches. It is important to bear in mind, however, that such an item can be considered ornament only if they would sometimes wear it when it does not need to transport the key at all. Right, so meaning if she wears this only when to transport the key, there is a problem. But if she would wear it, like for example, on a weekday for event or something, like right, then there's no problem. So I mean, she has a key in her pocket or her pocketbook, right? So she does not need this brooch. So that's what they say. So meaning don't be so like. Right, don't wear this brooch only on Shabbos to carry the key. Okay. Or I guess she would wear it in a brooch. I mean, maybe I have even a better example. When there is somebody left home, so meaning that she does not need the key, meaning that somebody is going to open her door, right? So meaning this specific Shabbos, her mother came, and she's not going to go to shul. Right, so no problem. So my mother would be able to open the door, but she still wears this brooch. Okay, that's, I think, also a good example. Okay. 1 second. Okay, so okay. However, if one intends to wear it for ornamental purposes as well, most paskim permit wearing outdoors. Okay, it is important to bear in mind, however, that such an item can be considered ornament only if one sometimes wear it when it does not need to transport the key at all. Right. For example, one would wear it even during the week when he or she, and this says he, but she is permitted to carry an ordinary key. So I mean, usually women wear the brooches, not men. Okay. If a person would never ever wear the Shabbos key, Shabbos key double quotes, for purely ornamental purposes, right? It is not considered to be ornament and may not be worn outdoors on Shabbos. Meaning, we have to decide, is it ornament or not? So if it's not, I'm going to wear, I have no choice, but only because of the key, so that means it's not ornament. For further discussion, see on Shabbos key, specifically those made into tie clips, see page 120. So we covered it, I think, last time or time before that. Okay, I don't remember. Having considered having concluded our discussion on wear jewelry outdoors, let us turn our attention to the article that provide medical benefit. Okay, before we do that, I want to quickly check time. Wow. Alright, so we stop here on these medical items. Let's see. Mark, all the costs of all the other things. Right, okay.